So in the day of judgment, we came to the court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, right, is watching us. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is looking at us, that He is actually, mashallah, right, judging us. In which way? What have we done? How did we spend our time? What we were, who we were. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is such being that He knows every single thing. We're not even able to hide anything. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can just make your hand talk. He just says kun, and it becomes, your hands are going to speak. Your hands will be actually talking about you. Right? Your hands will be speaking. Oh Allah, he did not pray. Oh Allah, at the time of the prayer, this person was doing what? He was busy on TikTok, and this person was busy on social media. Wa na'udhu billah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us from this. How could you constantly become busy on social media when the salat time is here?